out there? Ah, man, you know what I really like about new cars and trucks? What I love about new cars and trucks is, along with that brand new truck and car smell, you get the effect of brand new, crisp LED lighting on the inside, you know? And I'm not just talking about the dome lights and things like that. No, I'm talking about the crispness of the LCD screens on the radio, on the dashboard, on the gauges. You know, I mean, look, just look. I mean, look how well that check engine light looks. I mean, that check engine light stands out like a sore thumb. I mean, it is really crystal clear. That orange that they use in that LED is awesome. I mean, that's, you know, I mean, if you're gonna have a check engine light on a brand new truck, that's awesome. At least it looks good while it's on. It's nice and crisp, and you're able to see it. So that's good. My truck's broken. Okay, it's not really broken. It's actually been running pretty good, but I do have to wait. I'm unloading right now in Allentown. Well, I'm here in Allentown to get unloaded, and the dealership here in Allentown opens up tomorrow at 7 a.m. And so now I have to wait until 7 a.m. tomorrow to get the truck looked at the dealership and find out why my check engine light's on. It said something about a breather. Well, it said, I looked up the code. It's a weird code, and it was hard to look anything up on it. There wasn't a whole lot of information on this specific code like there is on other codes. But the damn code was... I looked it up and I found one thing that matched that code, and it talked about the crankcase breather not being connected. And I looked at it. I popped the hood and I looked at the crankcase breather. There's almost like a vacuum hose. Obviously like a vacuum hose going from it to the crankcase. It was attached. I didn't see any sensors unhooked. I don't know. We're just gonna have to go ahead and have the dealer tell us what's going on. So we'll go ahead and do that tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store and get unloaded. Alright, I'm at the dealer. We'll get this situated, huh? So we can figure out what came on. So let me show you the light camera. Let me show you the spot that I got it back into. Yeah, this is going to be nice and tight. Check this out. Right there. I got it back there beside that yellow dump truck. This will be fun.
The cold of the night, your touch used to be the color of the truth in our lives. Golden boy, you set my world on fire. You made me regret my desire. Young, lost, so lost, stuck in our own paradise in our lives. Words mean absolutely nothing. We go round and round, round and round with this story full of imperfections fighting for us. It's not worth it anymore.
Now there should be. Alright, back to the front we go. I don't know how this last part of the video is going to look, where I was backing into the spot. The camera fell on the first thing that I had it sitting on. So I picked it up, moved it to another truck to watch me, and I didn't realize somehow it got zoomed in. So I don't know if I'll even put that on here or not, but at least that part. But we'll see. We will see. Let's go see what's going on with this truck, though. Driver lounge area. I guess I'll just relax, maybe edit some stuff, and wait to see what the results are. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend a vending machine coffee. That's the first time I've ever gotten a coffee out of a vending machine. And no matter how tired I am, I'm never going to get another vending machine coffee again. This is even a mocha, and it tastes like crap, so... Oh well. She's in. See how long it takes. Will the light be on still? Let's see. Nope, we're good. It'll go out in just a second. There it goes. Just a software update. That's all it was. Just needed a software update. So that was an easy fix. So let's guess I'm getting the back haul. Gonna go get that and head on down the road. Those new Mack trucks look pretty sweet. Maybe. That was kind of annoying. That was annoying as hell. Pull into this truck stop. All I want to do is pull in here so I can call the broker. There wasn't anywhere for me to sit at the dealership. They needed me out of there, and they were doing some stuff there. So I came to this truck stop thinking, yeah, I'll just pull into the truck stop, call the broker, and get out of there. Every spot is filled with a freaking car. Half of the parking in the truck parking area of this truck stop are cars. Now, I mean, I understand this is a pay-to-park parking lot. So I would have to guess that these are people that probably park their trucks here on the weekends and pay to park for the weekend. So they park the car in their truck spot so they have a spot to park in when they come back. I understand that, but that's, I don't know. It's a truck stop. A truck stop. Anyway, just kind of frustrating. Let's call the broker, get this load information. Damn it! there for a scale. That's why I just drove straight through. They didn't want me. Usually aren't open in Pennsylvania. Alright, let's go take a shower. Been long enough. Alright. Well, I gotta give a shout out here to the people at Flying J in Hubbard, Ohio. In case you don't know where Hubbard is, it's exit 234 off of 80. Yeah, I stopped here. You know, I said in another vlog, I think my last vlog, we try not to get fuel anymore anywhere but a couple of truck stops that are near our yard because they're dirt cheap. So since I have a 300-gallon capacity on this new truck, I can go all the way out and back in without needing fuel. So we try not to get fuel at anywhere besides there. So I don't have any, I haven't fueled up at a Flying J or a Pilot for probably a month. So all my shower credits have been used up. And I walked in here, prepared to pay the... I can't remember the last time I actually paid for a shower. But I walked in there prepared to pay for the shower, and so I don't even know how much showers are anymore. If they're $12, $15, I'm not sure. But got my Flying J Pilot card out, gave it to the lady, and she worked her magic, and I had my credit card out to pay, and she goes, "Oh, no, put that away. So I hope I don't get anybody in trouble here. I'm not saying any names. I'm sure it's something that they can do there for people from time to time. So, it's not like it, I'm sure it's not out of the ordinary. But, that's one reason why I do like Flying J and Pilot truck stops. I mean, they're big chain truck stops, but they, a lot of the times you go into one of these no, this is not a paid advertisement. Look at my sub count. I have under 300 subs. I'm not exactly advertisement material for somebody like Flying J. It's nice because you can go into these places like this, even a Flying J or a Pilot, and it's got that, sometimes some of them have that small truck stop atmosphere where they actually seem to give a damn about the driver. Not all of them, but some do, and I kind of got that feeling from the one here in Hubbard. I come to this one quite a bit because I pass it every day going to and from. But anyway, just wanted to go ahead and make a little shout out to them here. But yeah, I'm all showered up, got my second cup of coffee, and we are going to finish our drive. So let's hit it. All right, well, I am done now for the night. I'm here at my shipper for the next morning. I'm gonna go ahead and just go to bed. That truck stop I was at earlier today that I was annoyed with all the cars that were parked at in the parking spots for the trucks. That's actually the truck stop. If you remember a while ago, I don't know how long ago, but a few months ago, there was a little debacle, I guess you'll call it, where a truck driver went over the scale, and the CAT scale didn't work on his phone or something like that. And he went inside to ask about it, and the cashier gave him all kinds of hell, treated the truck driver like absolute dog shit. And Jay Canal, reported on it. He made a little video about it. Well, it was that truck stop. It was that exact truck stop. Anyways, the truck's been doing good. No more check engine light. I really enjoyed making this vlog. I kind of went out of my comfort zone a little bit more than I usually do with the different camera angles and putting the phone outside and things like that. It was funny when I was at the dealership and I was using mounts for my camera, for my phone, to get me backing in to that spot. I used the backs of trucks to hold my phone, and the whole time I was, thinking to myself, God, please don't let somebody drive off in one of these trucks. With that said, guys, though, thanks for watching. If you feel it's worthy, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. I do want to thank everybody out there that have subscribed already. To me, every subscriber is a milestone. I don't have to have a bunch of them to feel, good about the work that I do. But every time somebody, subs to my channel, it instills a bit of pride, and it feels good. So I do want to thank everybody that have already subscribed. But anyway, again, guys, I do appreciate it, and I do hope you all are staying safe out there and making some money. And we will see you guys all next time. Take care, guys.